Hello guys, welcome back to the Home Barista. It's me, Curtis. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a latte at home, how to steam milk for espresso drinks at home. So here is a finished product. That is a latte with questionable latte art that I made, but do you know what? That's not what this is about. So here we go. I'm using oat milk, I'm using a mocha pot to make my espresso, a French press for the milk, and of course some ground coffee. So I'm going to take apart my mocha pot and then I'm going to portion some coffee into that. You don't want this full up, and you certainly do not want to tamp this coffee down. That is not going to do you any favors when you brew this coffee. Okay, so now I'm just going to show you exactly how much I've put in. I wanted quite a light espresso today. I didn't want anything crazy, nothing super intense. So as you can see, that's how much I've put in. Feel free to put in more, feel free to put in less. Okay, so I'm going to put some water now into the base of my mocha pot, just below the pressure valve you see on the side. Put the coffee back in, and then I'm going to put the top back on the base, and then we are good to go. Now, just to protect the mocha pot and to stop it from boiling too vigorously, and also just to make it a lot easier to handle, I've purchased a guard from Amazon. I bought this on Amazon, super cheap. You just basically put that on top of the gas flame and then put your mocha pot on top of that. Makes it much more stable. I'm heating up a pan as well for some milk. I'm using oat milk today. Pop that in there, and then once the milk is in, you just want to start stirring. You want to make sure that you stir quite vigorously. You want to keep stirring at all times. Make sure that none of the milk sticks to the bottom of the pan. Don't have this on a high heat, just heat it gently. And then when you get little bubbles forming around the outside of the pan, that is when you are good to go. You don't want bubbles forming anywhere else, just on the outside. That's the perfect temperature. Now, if you don't have an espresso machine or a mocha pot, just use instant coffee, that's fine. Just put the same amount that you would for a full cup of coffee into a cup. I'm using a teaspoon. And then pour an espresso amount of water on top of that instant coffee, and you are good to go. Just stir that around, and then that will be a super strength coffee in there, perfect for your milk. My mocha pot is finished, so now I'm going to start assembling the drink. So here we go, the mocha pot is done. I'm just going to portion the same amount as I did for the instant coffee into the cup, and now here comes the important bit. So pour your hot milk into your French press, and then put the top back on and start moving the wand up and down to circulate air around that milk. As you can see here, there's a huge quantity of foam on top and milk at the bottom. Now what you want to do is incorporate those together. Okay, so start banging the French press on the side and swirling it around as well to combine the milk together with the foam. And then pour that back into your milk jug or anything that you're using to pour, and then bang out the bubbles, stir it around. You see how glossy that becomes, and then you're ready to pour your drink. Now, I've not gone for any latte art here, guys. That's not the bag for this one. This is just to show you how to make latte, flat white, cappuccino style milk at home. This is super tasty, super delicious. There we go. Okay guys, so please check out my other videos. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it around with your friends, and let me know how you get on making your own latte at home. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. I'm the Home Barista. See you soon.